Hello student, good morning. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you are doing very well student. So let's start. So start the chapter number 8. Okay, and in this video we are going to learn about the proportion. Okay, so what is proportion student? You can open your book page number 131. Okay, all right. So you can see here the proportions. So proportion is a equality of a two ratio. You can see here if A ratio B and the proportion sign is C ratio D. Okay. So each quantity in a proportion is called its term or it's a proportional. Okay. All right. And second is A, B, C, D are the respectively known as the first, second, third and the fourth term of the proportion. Okay. And A and D are called extreme while B and C are called it means. This is called it means. Okay. And for every proportion B, product of extreme is always equal to the product of means. It means A into D equals to B into C. Okay. And the fourth term is D is called the fourth proportional to A, B, C. So remember this point student. In order to represent a proportion, either put the sign of equality, okay, and the between of two ratio, or put a double colon. You can write down this sign is a double colon sign is a proportion sign. Okay. Next is the continued proportion. Okay. So three quantity A, B, C are said to be a continued proportion. Like if A ratio B and the proportion B ratio C, or A upon B is equals to B upon C. Alright. So in other word, three quantity are said to be a continued proportion if their ratio between the first and the second is equal to the ratio between second and the third term. Okay. So you can see this if A ratio B and the B ratio C, then the second quantity is called the mean proportional or a geometric means. Okay. So between the first and the third term, this is A ratio B and the B ratio C. So B is the mean proportional between A and the C. Okay. And the third quantity C is called the third proportion. It means A, B and the fourth proportional, okay, to A, B. So like this you can write down this A upon B is equals to B upon C. So B square equals to AC. So B equals to square root of AC. Okay. You can see the some example of this. Find in the proportion. Are in the proportion. So product of extreme, this is equals to extreme. It means first term and the last term of this. So 9 into 6, and the product of mean, it means between two term. So the product of extreme is 54 and the mean is 54. So the product of extreme is also the equal of product of means. So hence, so the number are in a proportion. Alright. So you can see like this all the solution of the example. Okay. So let's do the exercise 8b. Okay. Wait student. Okay. So the question is the R 12, 24, 11 and the 12 are in a proportion. So you can see here the solution of these questions. So how to solve? So the first and last term, okay, this is product of extreme and the product of mean, multiply, and this value is 144 and this value is 264. So hence the term are not in the proportion. Okay. So like this, what is question number 2? Show that are in a proportion. So also like first questions. Okay. Move on question number 3. If 3 ratio 12 and the x ratio 18, so find the value of x. So you can see here third solution. Okay, here. So the 12 into x, cross multiplication. Okay, 12 into x is equals to 3 into 18. This is 54. So x is equals to 54 divided by 12. So x is equals to 9 by 2. Okay. So this value x equals to 9 by 2. And like this question number 4. Okay, here the solution of all the, how many question are there? 15 question. You can see here the question number, solution of question number 8. Okay, and then here are all the solution of the 15 question. Okay, so take care and bye bye student.